Do you want to know how to change direct deposit on your TurboTax? Here is the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first, you need to go to your TurboTax account, and under it you will see the file section. You just have to click on it, and after that you will see the step 1 to 3. Just do the steps and you will be able to change your direct deposit on your TurboTax. So on the step 2, the refund, you will see the revisit button right here located at the rightmost. Just click on the revisit, and you will see a bunch of options, but just simply select no thanks button. And then you will see a bunch of options, but you will be needing to toggle on the direct deposit standard timing. Direct deposit usually takes the refund up to 21 days for most of the customers. After that, you just have to click the continue button, and that's how you change the direct deposit on your TurboTax.